If you have been following our options series, you have learned what options are, how calls and puts work, and what the Greeks are telling you about any position you take. Today, we're going to put all of that together using a real stock, NCI trading around $5.02, and walk through exactly how I use NWC-Analytics to evaluate whether conditions favor a long call setup. This is the complete research workflow. Price history first, technical analysis second, fundamental valuation third. NCI is Neo Concept International Group Holdings, a small cap stock listed on NASDAQ, currently trading at around $5.02. The first thing I want to look at is the price history. And right away, this chart is telling an interesting story. For most of the past year, this stock was trading right around $1. Then something changed, and it made a dramatic move up to nearly $7 before pulling back to where it sits today around $5.02. That kind of price history raises two questions every investor should ask. First, what caused that move? And second, is there more upside from here, or is this a stock that already had its moment? To answer those questions, we need to go deeper. Let's look at the technical picture first. MACD, moving average convergence divergence, bullish momentum detected. This tells us the short-term moving average has crossed at above the long-term moving average. Buyers are in control of price momentum right now. ADX, strong bullish trend. The ADX reading is 50.7. Remember from our series, anything above 25 signals a meaningful trend is in place. At 50.7, we're well into strong trend territory. This is not a weak, uncertain move. There is real momentum behind this stock. Parabolic SAR. The SAR level is at $9 and the stock is trading below it at $5.02. Ichimoku Cloud, price above cloud, bullish. Another confirmation that the trend has genuine structure behind it. What I want you to notice is that multiple independent indicators are telling the same story. That convergence is what separates a high-conviction technical setup from noise. One bearish indicator is interesting. 3 saying the same thing at the same time is meaningful. Now here's where most retail investors stop their research. They see bullish technical signals and make a decision. We're going to take one more step, because knowing a stock is moving is only half the picture. We also want to know whether the price makes sense relative to what the business is actually worth. This is the DCF valuation tool. DCF stands for discounted cash flow. It's the method professional analysts use to estimate what a company is intrinsically worth based on the cash it generates, not just where the stock is trading today. The platform pulls the key inputs directly from SEC filings. Growth rate of negative 6.2% based on trailing revenue, conservatively adjusted. Current free cash flow of $29.8 million. Actual trailing 12 months from reported data. Shares outstanding of 18.9 million. Diluted from SEC filings. These are not estimates or assumptions. They are pulled from what the company actually reported. What does that mean? Current price, $5.02. DCF intrinsic value, $7.24. Margin of safety, positive 44.3%. What does that mean in plain English? Based on the cash flows this company is actually generating, the model says it's worth $7.24 per share. It's currently trading at $5.02. The platform flags this as a strong buy. The stock appears undervalued by 44%. So let's bring this back to the options series. If you were considering a long call on NCI, buying the right to purchase shares at a set price before an expiration date, here is what your research is telling you. The technical picture says momentum is strong. ADX at 50.7, MACD bullish. Ichimoku Cloud confirming an uptrend. Multiple independent indicators pointing the same direction. The fundamental picture says the stock is trading at a meaningful discount to what the business appears to be worth based on its own reported cash flows. That combination, Strong technical momentum and fundamental undervaluation is the setup a long call buyer is looking for. You're not just chasing price movement. You have a valuation basis for believing the stock has room to move toward that $7.24 intrinsic value. This is exactly what NWC-Analytics is built to do. Bring technical analysis and fundamental valuation together in one place so you can make a more informed decision before you ever place a trade. If you haven't read through the full option series yet, those posts are on our blog and our Substack at tballesteros.substack.com. Thanks for watching.